Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup student loan documents using MyFederalStudentAid. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in myfederalstudentaid.gov and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click on login to access your account. You will need to enter your FSA ID and password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Upon logging in, find the Documents section in your dashboard. Click on the Documents link to access your student loan documents. Review the list of available documents for your loans. Select the documents you wish to backup. To download a document, click on the corresponding download icon. Save the document to a secure location on your computer. It's a good idea to create a dedicated folder for your student loan documents. Once downloaded, you can also make copies of these documents on external storage. Consider using a cloud storage service for an additional backup. After completing your downloads, ensure all documents are organized. Lastly, log out of your account to protect your information. That's it. You have successfully backed up your student loan documents using MyFederalStudentAid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.